Hello everyone, let's learn some colors. Red color, brown color, pink color, black color, purple color, blue color, light green color, yellow color, sky blue color, dark green color and orange color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A for ant. B for butterfly. C for candy. D for doll. E for elephant. F for flag. G for goat. H for hat. I for insect. J for jellyfish. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for owl. P for pumpkin. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sunflower. T for table. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for x-ray. Y for yogurt. Z for zip. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Let's read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like and subscribe for more videos.